Pleasant morning to all the viewers and all the members of our Cayman and Spuntus Paradise family. I must safely say we really do appreciate you and thank you for your views and your comments and everything that you do on our program. For today, I'm going to make some selections. Yes, we lost twice and won once, so we are now looking forward to see if we can improve and get back on a winning note. In the third race, I'm going to take Eagle One. In the sixth, I'm going to take Uncaptured Empress. And in the ninth, I'm going to go with Sensational Move. And I would consider that a seal triple. As for Sunday, races for tomorrow again, so we're going to do the do right now so you can have a feed on tomorrow's program. We are going to go with Muzzle for Sunday, along with Power from Above. Muzzle and Power from Above. And last but not least, this is what I've never done before and I'm going to do now. I'm going to give you an outer street. Power of Her Highness in the third race, in the fourth race, number one is a good outer. Loyal Action in the fifth race, number 8 is another one. And look out for Jaguar if you're looking for outsiders. Take Power of Her Highness, Loyal Action, and Jaguar and see what you can do with them, whether in exotics, big six, or whatever. But thanks to my family for supporting. I got a comment that I am a coward and I retreated, but no, that is not so. I am brave, bold, courageous, and right here. Thanks to my family again.
And I must say,
Mr. Fender, you're here and I never even see a word about thank you, Mr. Fender. We are a family like that. It is teamwork that makes the dream work.
Right.
You got to know that.
Right. And, let me say, I like your whole presentation. This
Thanks a lot. I really do appreciate it.
I know that you will come. Here is my take, and I want to say thanks to what is happening on YouTube, Cayman and Spuntus Paradise. It is a wonderful thing, and because Bishop, you are doing the right thing. You have the right team, myself, Bishop. We are just right for this group. And I see that the fans want to hear us more and more and more. And here it is. This weekend, racing, we have today and tomorrow. And we will do our best. And I'm taking from what I had mentioned yesterday, right? Look at what is coming on. I am going to spend time a little on tomorrow's. And as I had mentioned yesterday, that Winston Conner Griffiths, race is what I am going to give a little highlight on right now. And in this race, there are 8 horses. 8 really good potential three-year-old that will excel. And I am bringing here for this special race. Horse number one. Come home to me, champion trainer, Jason Acosta. I know he is a champion trainer with class. Also, I like Baba Nunes. Yes, in this race, Captain Sparrow. I expect this one to perform really good and make this race really interesting. So, I am just saying right now, these are the two horses that I see in this race. And I hope my fans, you will be pleased with the performance and the selection in this race from.
Okay,
Yes,
guys.
I must say I did not give an outsider for Sunday, and I must always represent my people, my viewers, and everyone on my Criminal Hunters Paradise program. And the outer or the long shot for Monday would have been security code in the second and bad investment in the fifth.
Okay. Thank you much, Bash
Yes,
and
and I
Fendo.
must, oh, I'm sorry for chipping in on you, Michelle, but I must always respect, endorse, and show all the courtesy there is to you, Michelle Ebanks.
Thank
Big
you
up
so
yourself.
much, guys. Bye-bye.